friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and for today's vlog I have the Renault Duster brochure with me. So this is a new brochure. Actually one of our far relatives, or you can say family friends, wanted to buy the new Duster. So I got this brochure last week. So I thought of doing a video and showing you people about the new Duster Turbo. So this is the brochure of the Renault Duster Turbo. So without wasting time, I'll focus on the brochure and show you what and all details they have given inside the brochure, and what and all information you can learn about the new 2020 latest version of Renault Duster. Friends, this is the brochure of the, I'll focus it, yeah, of the 1.3 turbo petrol engine of the Duster. You get the 1.5 liter one also. It's available still in the market, but it's the older version if you ask me. And regarding this vehicle, right now there is no much detail, so I thought of doing a video on this. So it comes with this new finishing actually. That is what the company guy told us regarding this 1.3 liter. So these are the new details available in the 1.3 liter turbo. All the red, crimson red accents are available. Like here, Duster you can see. Here there's one. Then there's over here, and this alloy wheels are also available now. Diamond cut alloy wheels, and this also crimson red accents. So you can see all the crimson red accents are available, and more power in everyday ride. So the speciality of 1.3 liter engine is the powerful. It makes the vehicle more powerful. It's a BS6 compliant anyway, so obviously petrol and other stuff also is little bit reduced if you ask me, and dominates the outer. The main reason my family friends thought of buying the Duster is because of the ground clearance the Duster gives, and it's a mid SUV if you ask me. Apart from that, the new powerful segment they have given here. So about this engine, I don't know very much. Totally, this is a 1.3 liter engine, and the 1.5 is already there in the market, and it's a older one, and 1.3 is the new one. That is the only thing I know. And the Renault automatic runs with the belt system. You can observe there's a belt over here. I'll focus it a bit. Sorry for the. So you can see there's a belt over here. That is the feature of the Renault automatic, and you can see how the gear looks in the automatic version. I'll just focus it again. Sorry for the problem focusing. And this is the manual one. So in Renault, I had already shown you a video regarding how reverse is put in the manual one. You have to pull it up and then the reverse falls. So that's a small thing I didn't like about that, about Duster. And now we have the halogen lights that you can see. Sorry, not the halogen lights. You can see the LED lights. The daytime running lights are available, DRLs, everywhere in the vehicle, and projector light is also given. Earlier there were only halogen lights, and it doesn't look so good with the halogen if you ask me. Apart from that, 205 mm is the ground clearance. It's almost of that of the Innova, so it's a very good thing. Innova, Fortuner and all have a ground clearance of more than 200, but they still give the manual what to say, console, and that's a very big disadvantage if you ask me. Only one digital console is given, remaining are analogs, so that's a very bad thing about them. And the nicer part is they give this new leather seats which are more what to say, they're so good if you ask me, and along with the color of the car, it matches, so it's a good thing. And the interior is the same of the that of the recent one. Totally you get this lighting over here like how it is in the Mercedes Benz and other vehicles. Apart from that, two airbags are also available, and You can see its main frame. Then this is for the ABS, I feel, and its front wheel power, it shows that, and then the comfort. So this is the same thing. There's no much of a change in this, and you can see the space. It's wide and spacious. That it's from the starting. Everyone knows that. So maximum of the people had gone for the Duster. This is the key, and you can see there's a unlock lock, and there's one more thing. I don't know what does that mean totally. If I'm able to do it, do a video in the showroom, I'll try doing it. And beyond city limits, so you get these three versions actually: iconic, passion drive, and then expeditions, and then adventure zones. So loving to do off-road, take your family on an adventure, and get beyond mundane. So these are all the things. I guess you can go for traveling if you buy the Duster. That's a group of the Dusters, and you can see the variants: RXE variant, then RXS, RXE Plus, and then there's RXZ and RXS. So these are actually the key features. I cannot read it out every single detail. You may get bored. So I'll go to the last page where the color details are given. So the color details, you can see Mahogany brown. This is the color which you get in that combo of the turbo. This is a good color if you ask me. Then there's Caspian blue. Then there is Caney orange, and then Moonlight silver. Then Outback browns and state grey. If you ask me which color do you want, I will prefer one of these two. Even though I am a red fan, I will either go. If you ask me mainly, I would go. For, I would like to choose this one compared to anything else. So this is all the details available, and that's one more, that is pearl white. That's obvious, the most commonest color if you ask me in the market. And the brakes, disc, drum, RXCs, wheel and tire. Only a slight difference is there: length, diameter, and all that stuff. So friends, I hope you liked the video regarding the brochure of the Renault Duster. So if I get any more brochures, I'll try to explain on it, and I'll mainly try to do a video on the Duster, the new Duster, which will probably come soon according to me. And if you ask me where Duster is available here in Udupi, there is an offer on the on Duster around 25,000 off is given. So that is one place you can buy if you want to buy it for a bit of cheaper price. And mainly due to the corona thing reason and other stuff, the market has gone down, so obviously they are giving huge amount of discounts on the vehicle. So for my next video, I'll go on with some practical views. So until next time, bye.